Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome everybody. We continue our discussion about the final revision on the exam. Today, inshallah, our heroes of grade 4. I'm sorry for sending the link by mistake for grade to be late for sending the link to for grade 4A. I'm sorry. Did you say now you have the link? Did you have the link now? You have the link. Okay. Okay, my son. So, I make a mistake. I didn't send it for you by mistake. But now you're all together. Now we have grade 4 together. If somebody is not attend, tell me. Okay. So we discussed together today about the exam. It will be easy, inshallah. It will be from what we have studied and what we have learned in concept 1 and the concept 2. If you remember, in concept 1, we are talking about the adaptation and survival. Adaptation and survival. And we discussed in this concept many lessons, like the adaptation of some animals and adaptation of some plants. And we have studied also the types of adaptation, structural adaptation and a behavioral adaptation. And also we have studied in this concept the digestive system of human, the digestive system of the cow, the digestive system of the dog. And we mentioned the adaptation in each of them, how they adapted to able to make their function. And also we have studied the respiratory system in human and the respiratory system in the fish. And we mentioned the difference between the human and the fish in respiration process. As we know that the human respire by respiratory system made up of the main organ of the respiratory system is the 2 lungs, but the main organ in the fish is the gills. And the human respire air for oxygen from the air, but the fish respire inhale oxygen or respire oxygen from the water. And we mentioned a lot about the adaptation of many animals and the many plants. Like the fox here, we have the white fox or the Arctic fox. Okay, the Arctic fox here has an adaptation. I want somebody to mention a little bit about the adaptation of the Arctic fox. I want, مثلا, Ahmed. Are you ready, Ahmed? What is the color of the fear of yes. Arctic fox, yeah, Ahmed? What is the color?
What?
Can you tell me the color of the Arctic fox?
Yeah, in winter it's white and in summer it's brown.
Excellent, my son. So it is white in the winter because there is what? In the winter, there is what around in the environment around the Arctic fox?
Snow.
There is a lot of snow and the color of the snow is white. So the fur also is white. So it can hide and escape from enemies. It can hide and hunt its prey, and also it can escape from its enemies. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay. So this is a structural adaptation or behavioral adaptation, my son?
This structural adaptation.
Yeah, very good. It is a structural adaptation. Okay. Thank you, Ahmed. I need another student. Close your mic, ya Ahmed. Yusuf Muhammad. Are you ready, Yusuf? I will ask you a question.
Master.
Are you ready, Yusuf?
Yes.
Here we have another animal. What is the name of this animal?
Camel.
Camel. Very good. Where does it live?
In desert.
Very good. In hot weather or in cold weather?
In hot weather.
Very good. Can you tell me one adaptation of the camel? It can live in
the camel body is covered with a thick hide.
It is covered with a thick hairy hide, which protect it from the heat of the sun. Very good, my son. And can you tell me about the hump of the camel? What is inside the hump of the camel?
It's the food.
Food is stored in the form of what? What is the shape of the food stored in the hump of the camel? Can you? It is fat. It is what? Fat. It is stored as a form of fat. You remember?
Fat.
Very good, my son. It is the hump store a A lot of fat. Thank you, my son. Close your mic, please. Another student, Yusuf Mustafa Murad. Are you ready, Mustafa Murad?
Yes, teacher.
Here we have a very big tree. Can you tell me the name of this tree?
Palm trees.
Palm tree. Palm tree live in, we can see palm tree in the cold weather or the hot weather. Cold environment.
Hot weather in the desert.
In the desert
Hot
and the hot
weather.
environment. Does it need a small root or a large root?
No, a strong roots.
A strong and the large roots. Why it need a strong and the deep roots?
To find water easily.
Very good, my son, because the water is very small, little amount of water in the desert, so it need a lot of water. It make a very long roots. Thank you, my son. Thank you.
Yes.
Hands down, Mustafa. Thank you, Mustafa. Excellent, Mustafa.
Okay.
I need another student, Adam. Are you ready, Adam?
Yes, mister.
What is the name of this animal?
It's a bat.
It's a bat. Can you tell me about the adaptation of a bat? One adaptation.
Yes.
One behavioral adaptation and one structural adaptation. Are you ready to tell me?
Yes. Behavioral adaptation, that he sleeps upside down so he can fly easily in the night.
Excellent, my son. You are excellent. MashaAllah. Barakallah fik ibn. It hanged upside down and sleep upside down in the morning or in the night?
In the morning.
Very good. And it become active what? When?
At
When
night.
it become active? At the night it becomes active. So can we call it a name? Can we give it a name?
Yes, nocturnal and.
Very good, my son. Excellent, my son. Everyone will, I will ask every student, but raise your hand. Only raise your hand, okay? Only raise your hand. Thank you, my son. You told me about the behavioral adaptation. Can you tell me about the structural adaptation?
Yes.
Tell me.
It has a thick layer of skin between its fingers, so this shape makes a wing so it can fly.
Excellent, my son. It has a thick skin between fingers and long fingers. So this thick skin make like a wing. It can fly. It is the only mammal which can fly. Remember, it is from mammals, not from birds. Is it from birds or mammals?
From mammals.
Excellent, my son. Some students think because the bat is it can fly, it is from birds, but it is wrong. It is a mistake. It is from birds, but it is from mammals, not from birds. Some students think it is fly, so it is from birds, but it is not from birds. It is from mammals. Thank you, my son. Thank you, my son. And here we have an animal. I have here another animal. If you answer a question, please, your hands down. Anybody answer a question, your hands down, because I want to ask all questions, all students. Ahmed Atiyah, your hand down, please. Hand down, Ahmed Atiyah. If you answer a question, hands down, because I want to ask all questions, all students, okay? Yusuf also hands down. Now, Ahmed Muhammad Shawki. Are you ready, Ahmed?
Yes, mister.
Can you see here in this picture, what is the name of this animal?
Chameleon.
Chameleon, very good. Is it from birds or mammals or reptiles?
Mammals.
No, not from mammals. Think again.
Reptiles.
Reptiles, very good, because mammals give birth, but reptiles lay eggs. Reptiles lay eggs. Is it okay? Okay. Can you tell me about one adaptation in this animal?
Has a long tail to catch things.
Yeah, it has a long tail, and the legs has a V-shaped fingers to catch things. Very good, my son. Thank you very much. Your hands down, Ahmed Shawki, please. Malik Islam now. Are you ready, Malik?
Yes, mister.
Yeah, tell me more about the chameleon. Can you tell me more about it? Does it have another adaptation? And tell me, is it structural or behavior?
Colorful its skin.
Yes. It has what? Colorful skin? Colorful scales on the skin. Very good. Why it has colorful scales on the skin? You know why? This is a type of adaptation. It can change Your mic has a problem يا مالك. Your mic has a problem. Sorry Malik, I will ask another student. Your mic has a problem. Muaz, are you ready?
Yes.
Tell me about the color of the chameleon. Does it have adaptation on the body? Color?
Yes. If it goes to the tree, it will change to the color of the tree.
It will be the same color. Very good. Do you know the name of this phenomenon? Changing color. You know the name of it?
Color.
It can change its color according to the environment. You know the name of it? This phenomenon is called camouflage. This phenomenon is called what? Camouflage. Okay, my son? Thank you, my son. Muhammad Samir now. Muhammad Samir. Are you ready, Muhammad Samir?
Yes, Mister. I ready.
Can you tell me more about the chameleon?
The chameleon.
What about its eye?
Its eye can see very well.
Can see. And it can move
the food. I search the food and
it can move the eye. Can you see? It can move the eye all directions, and every eye can move independently. One eye you look forward and one eye you look backward. You know? Okay. Now Adam Muhammad. Adam is raising hand. Raise your hand. I will choose you. Adam, raise your hand. Adam Arif is raising hand. Raise your hand, my son. Adam, if you want to answer, raise your hand. And if you answer, please, if you answer, ya Muhammad Samir, hands down. Yusuf Muhammad, if you answer, hands down, okay? I want only the one who didn't answer, raise hand. Omar Abu Arab, raise hand. Everybody, if you didn't answer, raise your hand. Anas, raise hand. Basim, raise hand. Everybody didn't answer, raise your hand, please. Okay? Now I have Adam. Are you ready, Adam?
Yes, teacher.
Tell me more about the chameleon, the adaptation in the eye of the chameleon.
Its eye, it move in all direction.
Its eye can move in all direction, and its eye can move independently from the other eye. It can move by itself. One can move forward and one can move look backward. You know?
Mr.
Islam.
Yes.
Islam now. Islam now.
Yes.
Are you ready, Islam?
Mr.
I have here some questions I sent you on Classera, okay? I have here some questions I sent it on Classera, but I need to solve it with you. But take care, some questions in concept 4. We didn't study concept 4. Communication. And also the concept 3 is not included in the exam. So we have to focus on concept 1 and 2 only. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay, now read the first question, please.
Mister, I want to say something.
What?
The right eye for the chameleon is searching for a danger, and the left eye is searching for the prey.
Excellent, my son. So it can move the eye independently. Each eye can move independently. Very good, my son. Thank you, my son. So now we have a question. Can you read the first question?
The answer is ears.
Read the question, please. Bats use their what to get information about surrounding nose or tongue or eyes or ears?
Ears.
What is the correct answer?
Ears.
You are excellent, my son. Thank you, my son. The correct answer is ear. Very good. Now I need another student. Raise your hand to answer. Yusuf Khalid. Are you ready, Yusuf? Yusuf Khalid, are you ready? Your mic is open, Yusuf Khalid.
Yes, miss.
Read the second question, please.
Okay.
Echolocation.
Echolocation is the use of what which is sound for finding food.
This question, you know,
Medium.
from this
No.
question from, listen, this question from concept 4, we didn't need, okay? We didn't need, but the answer is high A pitch. This question, the answer is high pitch, but we don't need now because we didn't study concept 4. Is it okay? Read the next question. Read the next one.
Okay. What use echolocation by bouncing high pitch sound in the air?
Yes. Who used echolocation in the air? Bat or dolphin? It is bat. We have studied we have studied it, and it is the correct answer is A. Bat. Very good, my son. Thank you, my son.
And because dolphins live in water.
Very good, my son. Very good, my son. Now I have, you have to move the hands down. Move hands down, please. Next question for Yusuf Muhammad. Are you ready, Yusuf?
Yes, Mister.
Read the next question.
The echo turned into.
This one is from concept 4. Leave it. Read the number. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This question from concept 4. We don't need now. Okay. We don't need these questions because they're from concept 4. Okay. Wait a minute. Here we have here number 42. Can you read number 42?
The night active animals are called nocturnal potatoes, while bees nocturnal animal because it's active night with يعني زي البات.
Excellent, my son. This question we have studied. This question we have studied. Okay, my son. Thank you, my son. I will choose another student now. Your hands down, Yusuf. And Khalid, your hands down. Adam Arif. Are you ready, Adam? So I said before, some questions from concept 3 and 4, we no need for it, okay?
Okay.
We will answer only from concept 1 and 2, okay? We have here number 46. Read number 46.
46 in a nocturnal animal, jerboa, owl, cat.
The answer is what?
Owl.
Owl. Very good. Owl. Thank you, my son. You are excellent. Excellent, my son. Hands down, please, ya Adam. Now, Omar Ala. Yusuf Muhammad, hands down. Hands down, Yusuf Muhammad. Now, Omar Ala. Are you ready? Number 47. Are you ready, Omar? Yeah, your mic is open now, Omar.
I'm Hamza, not Omar.
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah, read Omar.
Israel's brother. Okay.
Responsible for hearing.
Israel's responsible for hearing.
Yes, ears or nose or tongue or nerve.
Ears.
Excellent, my son. Thank you, my son. Correct answer. Ears responsible for hearing.
Very easy.
Thank you, my son. The exam will be so easy, like this. The exam very, very easy, inshallah. Now, Hamza, your turn, Hamza. Hands down, Omar. Hands down, Omar. Your turn, Hamza.
All of the following are sense organs except.
Yes.
Except.
Focus. Ear is a sense organ for hearing. Nose is a sense organ for smelling. Tongue is a sense organ for tasting. So the answer will be what?
Nervous.
Very good, my son. Excellent, my son. Thank you. Your hands down, please. Now your hands down. Muhammad Hilm and Ahmed Hilm. Muhammad al-Awwal. Muhammad, first, read.
Yes. Your
Sensation of hot weather. Hot weather. Sensation of hot weather depend on what? Respiratory receptors. Receptors in the eye or in the nose or in the ears or in the skin?
Skin.
Excellent, my son. You feel hot or cold by skin. Very good, my son. Thank you, Muhammad Hilmi. You are excellent, my son. You are excellent.
Thank you.
Now move to your brother. We'll move to your brother, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Now we have Ahmed Hilmi. Are you ready, Ahmed?
Yes.
Now number 50. Can you read number 50?
They play a great role in function of the nervous system.
Yes. The A play an important role in the nervous system. It is not the small intestine. This is in digestive system. It is not trachea. It is in respiratory system. And also esophagus in the digestive system. And the answer will be what? The answer will be brain. Excellent, my son. You are excellent. Thank you, my son. Please, Amgad, stop writing on the chat and answer this question. Focus here with me, Amgad. Your hands down, Muhammad and Ahmed. Thank you, Muhammad and Ahmed. Amgad, are you ready to answer a question? Raise your hand, Amgad. Stop writing on the chat and focus.
I always didn't answer in any class.
Read this question, please, for me. Read it for me, okay? Basim will be next. Wait, Basim. When Jerboa hears the sound, moving.
What?
When Jerboa hears the sound of a moving snake, it remains standing, jump to hunt the snake, makes a sound to fear the snake, jump to run away. What is the correct answer?
The correct answer?
Quickly.
Jump to run away.
Very good, my son. Thank you. Please stop writing on the chat. Focus with me, okay? Now your hands down. Your hands down, Amber. I have here Saif. I have also Basim. Are you ready, Basim? Your turn, Basim. This is your turn, Basim.
Yes.
Read number 52.
The system is responsible for moving your hand away from tension is.
Moving your hand away by the help of digestive system, respiratory system, nervous system, or urinary system?
Nerve.
Excellent, my son. You are excellent. Thank you very much. Your hands down, please. Now, Adam Muhammad Sami. Your turn, Adam Muhammad Sami. Raise your hand, Adam. Yes, Adam. Your turn, Adam.
When a snake makes a noise, the sensory receptors in their paws, ears send messages to the brain.
Yeah, in the ears. Very good, my son. Because it hears very good. Has a good hearing sense. The gerbil has a very good hearing sense. Very good, my son. And a very fast respond. Thank you, my son. You are excellent, my son. Please, your hand down. Okay? Your hand down now. Malik, you answered before. Muhammad Samir, you answered before. If you answered before, please, hands down until all students answer. Okay, my son? Everybody answered before, hands down. Malik, your hands down. Muhammad Samir, your hands down. If you answered before, your hands down. Okay? I have now Saifuddin. I need everybody to share with me answering questions.
Yes, Mr.
Your turn, ya Saif. Fadl.
When your hand touches the spines of cactus plant, move your hand in less than 1 second.
Less than 1 second. Very good, my son. Less than 1 second. It is very fast. Do you know the name of it? This action. Do you know the name of it? Reflex. Very good, my son. The name of it is reflex. And the reaction time here is very fast or slow? The reaction time is very fast. It is the part of the second. less than 1 second. It is very fast reaction time. Is it okay? Like the jerboa. You know the jerboa make a very fast reaction time. When it's a snake, it jump quickly, run away from that snake. So it has a very fast reaction time. Is it okay? Now Muhammad الشاعر. Are you ready, Muhammad? يلا يا محمد.
Yes.
Read the next question.
The nervous transmit information in the form of
ايه؟ magnetic impulse ولا electric impulse ولا light impulse ولا sound impulse؟
sound impulse.
لا فكر كويس. Think again.
Electric impulse.
Yeah, very good. Now it is correct. Electric impulse. The messages in the nervous system are electric impulse. طيب ده organ. نروح للستودنت تاني اللي لسه ما جاوبش، لو سمحتوا بس هو اللي يرفع ايده. If you didn't answer raise your hand. Okay? محمد الشاعر hands down. يوسف خالد hands down.
Teacher, I want to open my camera.
Don't open your camera. Need to focus. You need to focus. Don't focus on the camera. Focus on the question. عمر أبو عرب. Are you ready, عمر أبو عرب?
Yes.
Read, my son. You are excellent, Omar.
The organ that processes the information is the brain.
The brain. Very good, my son. Can you tell me more about the brain? The brain has another name. Can you tell me a name for the brain?
What?
Can you tell me more about the brain? What can we call the brain?
It tells the body what to do based on the information.
Yeah, it is like a commander. You know the commander? It is like a leader of the body, you know? So it sends orders for all body parts, for all body organs. Is it okay?
Yes.
Thank you, my son. Muhammad Mustafa. Are you ready, Muhammad Mustafa?
Yes.
Yalla, read the next question.
Pets depend on what senses at night?
Yes.
Sight.
Sense of smell ولا touch ولا hearing ولا sight at night. It cannot see very well. Muhammad الشاعر, please don't write anything on the chat. Please behave yourself.
Hearing.
Yeah, very good, my son. You are excellent, very good. It depends on hearing and echolocation. Very good. Ahmed Muhammad Shawqi, you have something to tell? Ahmed Muhammad Shawqi? Ahmed Muhammad Shawqi, why you are writing I have something? Ahmed Muhammad Shawqi. Yes, you have something to tell us?
Yes.
Yes.
You can send this sheet, this
on the
worksheet.
Classera. It is found on Classera.
Okay, thanks.
It is found on Classera. It's available in Classera, and the answers also with it. Okay.
Okay, thanks, Mr.
Okay. Okay, Malik. Okay, your turn, Malik. Malik, Saad, your turn, Malik. Read, ya Malik.
Yes, Mr. Bats using hearing eyes, echolocation, and hearing to look.
What is the correct answer?
Their brain in the drug.
Very good, my son. Echolocation and hearing. The correct answer is echolocation and hearing. Okay. So if you have a good answer like hearing and another good answer like echolocation, you have to choose both of them. If you have two correct answers, you have to choose both of them, okay? Muhammad Mustafa, stop writing with the chat, please. Now we have
hearing, because
we have another student.
Hearing, echolocation.
Yeah, the answer echolocation and hearing. Is it okay?
Okay.
Now I have who didn't answer, only raise your hand. Malik Isam. Your hands down, Malik Saad. Okay, Malik Asaf.
Yes.
Watching TV, we use what sense?
Sight.
Only sight and the taste? Sight and the smell?
hearing.
Sight and the hearing?
Sight and hearing.
You have to read all answers. You have to read and focus all answers and choose the best answer. Okay? Thank you, my son. Thank you, my son.
Okay.
Your hands down now. Your hands down now. I need somebody didn't answer. Only raise hand. Okay? Muhammad Ibrahim. Ahmed Muhammad Ibrahim. Read ya.
Yes, master.
Read the next question.
Next.
Able to detect the heat. بتحس بالحرارة. On their face ولا skin ولا tail ولا nose؟
Skin.
لا. Face. Okay, my son. In the head, in the face, it has a special part which senses can sense the heat of the prey. Can sense by the heat of the prey. Is it okay?
Okay.
In the face, okay?
Okay.
Now we have another student. Only the one who didn't answer, raise your hand. Muhammad Mustafa, are you ready? I need all students to answer.
Yes, teacher, I'm Ahmed Mustafa.
Ready? Yalla ya.
Yes.
Use the hearing to get food. Chameleon or bat or dog or no correct answer.
Bat.
Excellent, my son. By echo remember by what?
Echolocation.
Excellent, my son. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now I have another student. He didn't answer. Now your hands down, my son. Muhammad Samir, you didn't answer?
No, master. I answer.
Okay. Read. Amphibians can take oxygen from what? Water or air or food? Or food and the air or water and the air?
Water and air.
Excellent, my son. Water, because they have a skin, wet skin, can enable them to respire from the water or from the wet soil. Thank you, my son. Thank you. Your hands down, please. Now, Muhammad Samir, you didn't. Muhammad Basim. Now, the last one who didn't answer, Muhammad Basim. Yalla, Muhammad.
Chemist. Fish used not to breathe in water.
Yes. In water, we need gills or eyes or lungs or tail.
Gills.
Huh? Gills.
Gills.
Very good, my son. Very good, my son. Now I will choose the good behavior student. The good behavior today, I will choose to answer more because all of us answer. Now I will choose the behavior student. The good behavior today, we have a lot of students with good behavior. Like Adam Muhammad Sami. Are you ready, Adam?
Yes, mister.
Read, my son.
Gills in fish is behavioral, adaptation, structure, adaptation, camouflage, adaptation, structure, and behavior adaptation. Structure.
Very good, my son. You are excellent. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You are excellent, my son. I have now to finish the session. You know, we are going to finish the session because the Zoom will close now after 1 minute. Okay, but I will choose the last student. The last student here we have now. We have the polite one, Amgad. Are you polite, Amgad? Can you read the next question? I want you to be polite. Okay. I want you to be always polite. Okay. Number 65.
All the following are organs in digestive system except mouth, nose, stomach, esophagus. It's nose.
Very good, my son. Thank you. So now, my son, the session ends. Thank you, everybody, and goodbye. I wish you the best in the exam, inshallah. Thank you and goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I love you all. Read the question very well, and you will get the full mark, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.